Hi friends, welcome back to Riansa Bakes. Today I have come with an everyone's favorite recipe, burger buns. The buns are really soft and delicious, and we can easily make a beautiful burger at home. So let us see how to make this burger at home. For that, I've taken 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 240 ml of milk, lukewarm milk. If you're using active dry yeast, you can activate the yeast and add the flour. Into the yeast mix, I'm adding 200 grams of fine semolina or rava and 200 grams of all-purpose flour or maida. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix well. You can make the burger with 100% all-purpose flour also, but semolina or rava gives a nice flavor to the bread and it's also healthier. Let us mix the dough and we'll transfer it onto a clean countertop and knead it. We'll do stretch and fold. Now the dough is quite rough and shaggy. Let us knead it properly and make it soft and elastic. See, now the dough has become little stretchable. Let us knead for some more time. And then we will incorporate about 50 grams of butter into the dough. Butter will make the bread soft and tender. Let us knead the butter into the dough. We'll mix the butter into the dough properly and then we'll give a few more stretch and folds to the dough so that it becomes soft. It's so nice to see the dough transform from a shaggy mass into a beautiful and stretchy dough, soft and stretchy dough. Even though it takes a little energy and time, bread making is really satisfying and it is also very relaxing. If you're new to bread making, I have some more videos of breads in my channel. Please do watch them. We'll give the links in the description box. We all should make our own breads at home. Instead of having store-bought breads which have improvers and other so many additives in the bread. So it's always nice to have homemade breads. Now the dough has become so soft and stretchable and see it's passing the window pane test also. Now we'll make it into a nice ball and then we'll allow it to rest for 1.5 to 2 hours till the dough becomes double in size. For that I have taken the bowl and greased it. Into that we'll transfer the dough and cover it with a cling film or a damp kitchen towel. Now the dough is doubled in size and it is well proofed. We'll give it a short knead and we'll shape the dough into buns. We'll divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Each burger bun should be approximately 120 grams. As I want the dough balls to be equal in weight, I am using a kitchen balance to weigh them. If you prefer smaller buns, you can Divide the dough accordingly. We'll make the buns. For that, we'll roll the dough tightly like this and nicely smoothen it. If you're new to my channel and if you like my video and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, please press the bell icon and select all option. If you like my video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share the video with friends and relatives. This is a very easy recipe. You can easily make burgers at home. Please do try the recipe and give your feedback. Would love to see your suggestions and comments in the comment box. Now all the buns are ready. We'll allow it to proof till it's double in size. Now the buns have doubled in size. We'll give it a brush of milk wash or egg wash. It'll give a nice shine to our bun. And let us sprinkle some sesame seeds also. And we'll bake the buns at 220 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes in toast mode with both the rods and the fan on. Now the buns are beautifully baked. They look so pretty. It's so satisfying to bake our own buns and breads. You should definitely try the recipe. Make burgers for your family. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye.